This is a sale for a 1986 Ford 800 spraying truck. It's a cleaning/de-icing truck, and it comes with a Detroit 8.2-liter diesel engine with 3,322 miles listed. There's a 1,300-gallon water tank in the front and a 500-gallon ADF plus soap tank in the rear. The truck runs and drives. Please see our website for further details. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.